Stop saying very happy in English. Use these advanced English words instead. Word number 1, ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy and excited. Example, she was an ecstatic after receiving the good news. Word number 2, delighted. Delighted means feeling great pleasure and happiness. Example, I was delighted to meet my favorite teacher. Word number 3, thrilled. Thrilled means very excited and happy. Example, he was thrilled to win the competition. Now instead of saying very happy, say ecstatic, delighted or thrilled. These words will instantly make your English sounds more advanced. Follow for daily English vocabulary.